Not in my 29 years of being out here. This is the first I've seen of something this magnitude. We got a staff of 34 guys, and that's from heavy equipment guys down to guys that cut grass and things. Our main focus of the first couple of days were opening up the driveways, cleaning the sidewalks off so students and faculty can get in safely. And now the big stuff is left to the guys with the heavy equipment that can come in with the skid steers or whatever we need to get the big debris out. We're starting to get minimized down to that. That's just all we have left. So it's been a task.
Our guys did an excellent job. I think we have such a strong team of operations guys, our grounds team, our HVAC teams, our building services, and they worked the entire time, even though some of those guys had damage at their own homes.
Meanwhile, we're still having to do work orders. Amongst the cleanup, having to still do routine work that the schools are needing done also. The grounds department, we're all broke up in 4 different areas. So the four areas, they're basically a 4-man crew. And so they're going out and cutting all the tops and just shearing it down to big logs that they can't physically pick up.
It was a tremendous effort from a lot of different employees throughout the district to get schools ready to receive students and staff back.
And all those guys, they're all like one big family. They take care of each other, they look after each other. They're all willing to work with each other and do what it takes to get what the task is done. They're really a unique group of guys.